Alright, so this is a recap on last week's tube video that I mentioned. Just kind of giving you a run through now and an explanation as to why we're trying to jump into this new design, what my problems are currently, and hopefully what will be fixed with this new look. So what I've got are two tubes. These are the tubes that I use for current hitch. This is just regular stock from the last one. This is the first batch I got probably a month ago. This is the last batch, which I got probably 2 weeks ago. Exact same order. 14 gauge 2-inch tubing, should be exact same size. Here's the problem, they're not. For whatever reason, they're not the same. So this is the tube. When I decided to go to the 14 gauge, this is how it fits. Slides right in, perfect. It's a little tiny bit of slop, but not much. As soon as you put powder coat on it, it gets a little bit bigger, fits a little bit better. Perfect. Here's the tubes that I just got 2 weeks ago. Put them in. It doesn't fit. It's very, very tight for whatever reason. And as soon as I put powder coat on this thing, it's not going to go in. But I get about 7-8 hitches a month that come back that don't fit. So they just make people upset. You know, they waited for their hitch, now their hitch doesn't fit. We got to go through this whole process again. And not only that, Toyota's 4Runners aren't the only ones that are not fitting anymore. There's a few more of the newer models that are doing the same thing. So we're going to try to run through today, designing and making the new update, and we'll see what you guys think. All right, come on. The concept for the new tube is to have two blades that stick out of the back of the hitch instead of having a square tube. This way it's a little bit adjustable. You can make it a little bit bigger if you want the hitch to be a little bit tighter and snugger, or you can squeeze it in and then it will be a little bit looser and actually fit. So here we go, I'm about to cut it out. That is the new tube. So the original tube, powder coat wouldn't get inside down in the bottom very well. And that way, occasionally, stuff would start rusting from the inside. But with this, you can get everywhere. Powder coat the whole thing. There's no chance that powder coat isn't going to get every single place inside of this one. Only thing now is see how it fits. So let's go check it out. So this is a 2-inch tube. This one doesn't fit in there. Here's the tube, 2-inch part, slides right in. Bam. It's got a little bit of tension on it, so it's not rattling at all. Thing is stuck, but pulls right out. I like it. There's actually more material in this because these pieces are being cut out of 1/8 inch instead of 14 gauge. So this is a 16th inch wall thickness right there, whereas that is an 1/8 inch. So let me know what you think. I'm really liking the design. Still got the logo at the bottom. There's more material in this one. It fits better. There's some tension on it. It's flexible. So let me know in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for your business.